you rate my face out of 10?
I would give it 10 3/4. Actually, no, not because J.K. Rowling's a piece of shit, but a 10. Because the fact that you're able to pull off that cool ass makeup, it's cunty. Round of applause.